Morning students of class 10th. Today we will discuss the 100 dresses 1. This story is in two parts. Today we will discuss first part of the 100 dresses. In this video you will see about the author, summary, glossary, messages, MCQ, short questions. First of all we will discuss about the author Elaine Estes. Elaine Estes was an American children's author and a children's librarian. Her book Ginger Pie, which she also created illustrations for, won the Newbery Medal. 3 of her books were Newbery Honor winners and one was awarded the Lewis Carroll Self Award. Estes' books were based on her lives in a small town, Connecticut in the early 1900s. Summary: The 100 Dresses is a story based on the real experience of the writer. It is a story of Wanda Petronisky, a poor and friendless Polish American girl who is teased by her classmates. Her classmates, mainly Peggy and Maddie, always made fun of her. Wanda always claims to own 100 dresses, all lined up in her closet, as her claim was in contradiction of the fact that she always came to school wearing the same dress. Her classmates always made fun of her. This outrageous and obvious lie becomes a game as the girls in her class came here every day before school demanding that she describe for them all of her dresses. Wanda ends up leaving school and moving to the city. After she has moved, a dress design competition at school reveals that she was indeed telling the truth. Her winning entry consists of beautiful detailed drawings of 100 dresses, each exactly as she had described. Her tormentors are awed by her artistic talent. But the story is not about Wanda. It is told from the point of view of her classmate Maddie, who feels bad for Wanda but is nevertheless particularly mean to her because she herself is poor and does not want to be the target of her wealthier peers by writing sympathetically from the viewpoint of someone complicit in the social violence. The story confronts readers to question their own attitude and behaviors. Now, here are some difficult words used in this story: enduring, long lasting, encyclopedia, book detailing with all branches of knowledge, nudge, a gentle push, pertaining to race, immigrant, settler in another country, notable, famous, scuffling of feet, creating noise by thumping shoes, crooked, awkward, hopscotch, a kind of game, courteous, polite, hitching, catching, incredulously, showing disbelief, stolidly, without showing any feeling, gasp, breathed with open mouth, windowsill, lower portion of a window, exaggerated, enhanced, ledge, outer part, murmured, muttered, bullies those who frighten the weaker persons, applause, praise, blondie hair, golden hair, mocking, make fun of, stamp, strike floor with feet, trimming, ornamentation of a dress. Now, message of the story is that the 100 dresses conveys is racial discrimination. It is one of the ills of the society which has an adverse impact on the people. The story is about the police girl who faces discrimination when she goes to school. Thanks, students.